So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a TradingView chart to Exness. Now once you have set up your chart, you can see a couple different things on there. Mainly that you can paste stuff to it or you can add this specific chart. Now through there you should go to your Exness personal area and be sure to know that Exness itself uses TradingView as its default chart. So through there you can see your accounts, you can see performance, history of orders, Exness terminal, payments, wallets, insights, and so on. So once you've opened your Exness terminal, you can just paste it onto here. So this is actually the TradingView chart. You can see it even contains the same settings. And you can then start setting it up like that. And you can use that specific chart to go on about your trading preferences, but it only is different if you've completely changed that specific chart. So you can even see you can share the idea with your trade community and set it up through Exness as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.